How to communicate with clients using Monday.com. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Set up a shareable board. Create a shareable board in Monday.com where you can collaborate with clients while keeping internal details private. 2. Add a client updates section. Create a dedicated section or column where clients can leave comments, share files, or request changes. 3. Use the Write an Update feature. Click on a task and use the Updates tab to leave messages, ask for feedback, or respond to client inquiries. Enable email integration. Connect Monday.com with Gmail or Outlook to send and receive emails directly from your board. 5. Set up automatic client notifications. Use automation rules to notify clients when a task is updated or requires their input. 6. Schedule video calls with clients. Integrate Monday.com with Zoom or Microsoft Teams to schedule meetings directly from the platform. 7. Monitor client requests. In real time, use the dashboard feature to track open requests, pending approvals, and client feedback.